Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I can't hide, this box is too big, but I am back with another little Scentsy haul. Do you want to know what I purchased? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So my Scentsy box just arrived. I did place another order, and in my last video, you guys said you wanted to see more. So I'm gonna do another unboxing. I do still want to purchase a few more of those whiff boxes, but I wanted to kind of get away from the holidays a little bit first because I didn't want like holiday themed really. So I want to wait a few months and maybe like May, June, like springish time, get a few more. So I will have more videos coming, but this is just a little order, a little bit of a backstory. Okay, so if you saw my last video, my little cousin is selling this. She's a stay-at-home mom, and she's just trying to do a little something to stay busy, earn a little money. So she sent me her link to see if I wanted anything, and I went shopping. I got some Christmas gifts for myself and for other people, and so I showed you that video. And then my friend who originally got me started with Scentsy like 20 some odd years ago, she had sent me a message showing me one of their newer burners, and she's like, don't you know somebody who sells it? I was like, yeah, my little cousin. So I started looking it up for her to send it to her, and long story short, by me just being the nice person trying to find an item for a friend, I ended up finding items for myself. So I placed an order. I wasn't planning on it. My intentions were not there, but something popped up and I was like, oh, I need you. And it was on sale, so I could not pass it up. But I will link her link in the description box if you would like to check out Scentsy, all of their products. They have so many items. Like there's cleaning products, laundry products. There's so many different products now. It's not just candles and wax and burners. Like, oh my, no, there's a whole lot more going on. I, however, just got a few extras and a new burner because, again, I saw it was on sale. That was the item that was on sale, and I could not pass it up. When I show you, you'll be like, I know why she got it. I know why she got it. Let's get into this box first and see what's in here. I know I needed to get another one of the flower like infusers. Mine's completely out. The flower still smells good, so I still have it there, but she needs a new one. So I need to replace that with a new one. So I definitely got some of those. It looks like I got 3 of those because I see 6 boxes. Okay, so I did get 2 of the wax melts. One of them I did get was the black raspberry vanilla. I believe that is the scent that was in the little flower thing that's in my bathroom currently. And I really enjoyed the scent, so I wanted it in a actual wax melt. So I got this one here. The fragrance notes is dark berries and vanilla, and it's in the fruity family. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, this smells so good. I don't know why. Did anybody put their nose up to kind of smell? I don't know why I did that, but that's how it looks. Like as if you can smell. I really wish you could because that smells amazing. So I got that one, and then, oh, that was $6. They're $6 each for these. And then I got another Luna because I got this one the last time and it smells divine. So this was $6. The fragrance notes is jasmine, sweet pea, freesia, berries, and sandalwood, and it's in the floral family. Oh, it just smells so good. So I definitely wanted to grab another one of those. So those are the 2 wax melts just because I didn't need them. I really didn't, but I did, I guess. So now with the fragrance flowers, these were all $18 each. Yes, $18 each. And this one is in the scent Luna. Again, that's why I got this one because I really love that scent. So I got one of them in the scent Luna. And when you get them, you have your little silver thing that you put down over it. Here's your container. You just take the plastic off, twist the knob off, stick your little hoochie thing down here, and then put your flower in it. So simple. So that is how it comes down inside. Again, this scent is Luna. Now Luna came with which flower? Because they all have different flowers. Some of them will have like different flowers with the same scent. So you kind of just look at the flower and then look at the scent and what you wanted. And I got them all different too. So this one came with the Dahlia Darling, and they come down in a box like this, so they're completely protected. The flowers are. Ooh, look at how pretty. How pretty. So that is the flower. And again, Luna's in the floral with the jasmine, sweet pea, freesia berries, and sandalwood. So then I got Lucky in Love. Lucky in Love is mandarin, bergamot, orange, peaches, and berries. I did get the wax melts of this one, and it smells phenomenal. This is the fruity collection, and it came with the Buttercup Bell fragrance. Buttercup Bell fragrance flower. And that is what the Buttercup Bell flower looks like. And then I got another black raspberry vanilla because it smells phenomenal. And this one again is the fruity, dark berries and vanilla. And this one came with the Dainty Daisy. Oh, how pretty. So those are the 3 different ones. Again, I wanted to grab them just to have them on hand. The other one just literally ended 100% from months ago. So I know these 3 are gonna last me probably the rest of this year, which is perfectly fine. And then my star of my show, which I am so excited for, is this right here. This was normally $60 and it was on sale for $24. $24. I'm like, I have to get it. I have to get it. And when you see the colors, you're gonna be like, damn, I know why you got that. But for $24, that is way more than 50% off. Like, I have not seen their burners go that low. The one that I originally purchased, I think was normally $60 and it was on sale for like $50 or $45 or something like that. But I've never seen it go that low. So $24. Yeah. So here is my little container. You see? Look at all of those teals. It's like green. It's like sea glass. It looks like it's like greens and teals and aquas. It's just, that is just beautiful. Look at all the colors. So I have my light bulb that I need to put in, and then my cord is all protected over here. That's a big one. That's a big one. I haven't had a bulb that big. Look at how pretty. Just illuminates with the beautiful colors. Like, I don't even know where I'm gonna put this. But again, for $24, not even $25, $24, I could not pass that up. But there is my order. I can't believe how cheap this one was. So if you want to go check them out, you can check out all of their burners. But I'm so glad I got that. Again, I didn't need it, but apparently I needed it, so I got it. Again, I wanted to grab these to have some extras just because I love the smell and because this bitch was on sale, so I had to grab it. So that is everything that I ordered. Again, I will link her affiliate link down below if you would like to check out Scentsy and all of the amazing things that they have to offer. It will all be listed in the description for you. And again, I will be doing some whip boxes here soon, so I will have some more videos in the future coming up that I will be showing you some more Scentsy products. So there we go. If you'd like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is Shecrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.